See, when the inhalation is happening, the question is, what is the movement of abdomen, the stomach region? What I request every yoga teacher, watch a child when the child is sleeping. Child means 6 months, 1 year baby. You see the baby stomach is expanding, chest is expanding. They do complete breathing, also called yogic breathing. Whereas observe adults, you don't see any movements. Now coming back to the question, when you inhale, the stomach has to expand. Watch here right now. So when the natural breathing is happening, there will be little movement in the stomach region and then chest movement. So if you are breathing properly, stomach and abdominal muscles moves. When you inhale, the diaphragm goes down. That is the respiratory system. The diaphragm goes down, it sucks the oxygen. So when diaphragm is going down, obviously all the muscles will expand. When the diaphragm is going up, exhalation is happening. So automatically, since the diaphragm is coming up, all the muscles are connected together, everything is, it's a one system. So when the diaphragm is coming, automatically you will see the abdomen and stomach muscles going inward. Many people are not doing this one because of overeating, because of tensions, because of stress in life. A yogi breathes properly, stomach expands, chest expands.